let's do it. Y is equal to 10 plus 25 divided by 5. Okay? So, let us solve now. So, meron tayong dalawang operations. Yung addition at saka yung division. Okay? So, according to PEMDAS, kailangan na muna nating unahin ang division. So, let's do it. 25 divided by 5, that is 5. Tapos, ikakopy natin yung addition and then yung 10. So, that will equal to 10 plus 5, which will give us 15. So, yan na yung sagot natin, 15. Okay? Next. Next example is example number 5. X squared minus 5xy plus 3y. Okay, so yung value ng x is 3 and yung value ng y is negative 2. So ulit, isa-substitute na naman natin yung value ng x at saka yung value ng y dun sa expression. Okay?